What's up, YouTube? This is yours. So welcome back for episode 3. So guys, we really enjoy opening these packs so far. The money has been there, but let's see if we can keep the streak. So our goal is to make 200 for these 3. So this, if we look at it, is we could sell these 3 packs for 200 on eBay. So our goal is, let's see if we could pull 200. Here, give me the cutter, dude. So let's see if we can do it. So the first box is the blasters for episode 3. You hear my brother in the background? He's pumped right now.
Dude, do I have to see those rookies or just throw it in that container?
Throw in the container. We'll do it later.
Yo, dude, don't do it now. Here, I'll organize while you do it. Just give me the cards, okay?
Let's start this episode 3. All right, come on. BI. Start off. Sabonis. Zion, rookie, and stars.
Nice.
PJ Washington. And a Tremont Waters marquee. Starting off hot with the Zion. That should be like a $20 card. Paid off for the blaster. Our Jackson Hayes threads. Put the threads right here. Oh, we got Prism Carmelo.
Oh no!
$50 card right now though.
Wait, what?
Horrible centering though.
That's 20.
Yeah, $20 card. Dang it, I thought that was Davis, dude. We got a Prism though. We got a Prism though.
Yeah, thank you, God. We got a prism. That's all.
We got a freaking Prism. Update. Frick. And the Trae Young. Wait, let me see. Put that right there. The luminance right here. Wow. Dang, I saw freaking Prism and then I was like, dude, this could be special. We got our first Prism.
Yeah, it's about time.
Alright, threads. Trae Young. John Morant, rookies and stars. Let's go. Brandon Clark playbook. Darius Garland marquee. Chris Middleton. RJ Prestige. Where'd I put Prestige? I'll put it with Kawhi.
Try to make it even, Jay.
Yeah, Ben Simmons.
No, try to make it. Try to remember. So.
PJ Washington XR. And a Kevin Porter Essentials. Where's the XRs? So we got Essentials right here. And I'll put XRs right here.
Hey, mind if I put these 3 right here, Jay? Do you care?
What?
If I put it like this?
What? Let me see.
Top load like this, all 3.
Why? Oh yeah, I don't care.
Same space.
Kevin Porter Prestige. Darius Garland Prestige. Rookies and stars.
Is this the last one?
LeBron!
Yes!
Luminant! Wow! Search
With
it up.
the Laker!
Search it up right now. Wow.
Oh, please be allowed.
That is awesome. That's freaking awesome. Come on, let's see. My bad, guys. We're gonna search it up.
$15.
You freaking kidding me?
$10.
Are you freaking kidding me? Here, take it. I thought that would be like a good amount. Oh shoot!
What'd you do?
Kawhi dropped one. Prestige Kendrick Nunn. Kendrick Nunn. What's it called?
Update?
No.
You want Kendrick Nunn's update too.
Well, that's going for decent. Brandon Clark and it. Darius Garland recon. There's a recon.
Just try to give it to me so it's even. I wanted Melanation too, dude. I told you, right? Remember?
Yeah.
How'd that feel when you pulled that?
I was like, oh, this is definitely
Dude, the
Prism.
centering's awesome.
No, it's not. Look at the bottom. Look at the side. The right looks short. Dame Dollar. He's doing amazing in the bubble. Terrence Davis. Dude, Terrence Davis. It's always Terrence Davis's thing.
What?
Don Russ. Rookies and stars. Darius Garland playbook. And a Marquis Davis. Last pack.
Come on. Can we get to 600?
And there's another Garland in the back. Threads!
There you go. Give me that one. Just give
Zion, let's go. I take these two then.
No, just give me the.
Yeah, here. I take this. Cam Johnson, Prestige. Where's Prestige? PJ. And the Darius Garland, Recon. Okay, we'll take that.
Put this there so we can still redeem ourselves.
I think Zion was the one that saved us, and John Morant.
The blaster, yeah.
All right, let's go. Your turn.
I'm actually having fun opening these. Just go. I got it. The video's wrong. Jay, throw that here so we know that's in the same value. All right, boys, we're gonna open the fat pack next. Fat pack next.
Yeah, I don't want to mess up the thing, so you don't want to mess up the corners here.
Dude, you didn't walk lucky today.
Jay, did you not hear me call you? Did you hear me call you out there?
Yeah, you did. Where's he crying though? You poo?
Kevin Porter Prestige.
Look, you go poo?
Yes.
Why are you crying? Did he eat?
Yeah.
Hungry?
Prestige.
No, you didn't eat. You sure?
He did, Jay. Chronicles, Kawhi. Kendrick Nunn, Prestige. Dame Dollar, Chronicles. Panini Threads, Zion.
Well, give me that.
Oh, this is a sick photo with
Give me that one too.
Leonard. Cam Reddish. Oh, baby!
Nice. Do you want this or put this in P? Oh, hold on, just where's the check it?
Where's his playbook? Where's playbook at?
Playbook is above you. Ninja.
I thought I pulled Zion there. I thought I pulled Zion right there.
That's the only one we're missing.
Trae Young. Terrence Davis again. Atlanta
I
Hawks.
think that's the only. Blush.
Bless you. Did you say bless you?
Thank you. I know. Why did I say bless you?
Harden.
That's weird.
Oh, Cam.
Cam Bam.
Score. Where's the score at?
I don't know. I don't think I did score.
He scores up here. Cam Reddish.
Terrence Davis. Okay.
That's not bad.
Take it.
I didn't even know that. Oh, the center is so off though.
Who cares? I'll take it. Give me it. Marquis. Why are you going slow?
LeBron. There you go. Okay. And Tybal. Tybal. Okay, guys, that's not. Oh, that's a one packer. I didn't even know.
Oh,
Dude.
that pack?
Yeah.
Oh my dude, these
Where's
fat
E?
packs are just awesome, dude.
Oh, guys, I didn't even know, dude. Okay, hangers, baby, hangers. Terrence Davis, Prism, damn. Nikhil Alexander Walker, Essential. Oh, Jay. Oh, dude, I got a fudging. I got a Fab Mello. I got a Fab Mello or Terrence Davis. I'm hoping it's Kawhi Leonard. Okay.
I bet you not in Prism.
It is. I saw it. Prestige. Where's Prestige? Cam Johnson. Chronicles, Trae Young. Can you move this water bottle?
This is mine.
I think so. Cavs. Threads. Chronicles, Vucevic. LeBron.
LeBron.
Just get anything Brown. James Harden. Chronicles. Jay, you know you need the Chronicles Zion and Ja, dude. That's really rare.
They have one?
Kendrick Nunn. Yep.
Siakam. RJ. Threads. Luminance. Terrence Davis. Awesome.
I love Luminance, man.
PJ Washington. Cody Martin. Paninis. Double Paninis. Who's that? Brandon Clark's playbooks.
Wait,
LeBron Luminance.
I don't think they could see, dude, the whole time.
Yeah, they could. LeBron Luminance. Brandon Clark Panini. Darius Garland. Playbook. Anthony Davis. There you go. Luminance.
Big Ant.
Jackson Hayes Panini. Nikhil Alexander Walker. This is a Nikhil Alexander Walker pack. What is this? Classics? Where's the classics? Do you have classics?
Classics are. Yeah, I did have classics.
No, you don't have it.
No, I did.
Classics Cam. Classics RJ. Come on. Classics.
Oh,
Rui numbered.
Wow.
190.
Oh,
145.
wow.
There you go. See that? Oh, Shy. I thought you were Ja.
Wow.
Jay, right here, Jay. This is it. This is it right here, Jay. This is it. This is it. Is it Clippers?
I told you he's not. Kawhi! You got Kawhi!
Kawhi! Let's go! How much was that? 50 bucks.
No. More than that. That's 100. Let me see.
Jay, how's the centering on this boy?
Let me see. You always look right here.
Right to left.
You always look right here. Well, you count. There's 4. There's 3. So this is smaller. Off-centered. It's fine. I mean, you can just sell it.
I don't care. Kawhi! Here, Jay. Here. That's so awesome, dude. Iguodala. Freaking optic. Jordan Poole. Come on, can we pull something crazier?
75 right now.
Tyler Hero Recon.
75.
Nice. Okay, there you go. Tyler Hero Recon. That's fighting for it, dude. We're fighting for the
50,
spot.
It just 50 recently sold.
Where's the recon?
You were trying to get rid of it.
Yeah.
But remember,
PJ Washington. And then Pelicans, Nikhil Alexander.
Oh no, this is awesome centering, dude.
That's a Nikhil Alexander Walker set.
No, cool. Hey, this is a perfect centering.
That's what I'm saying.
Wow, I'm keeping this.
Wow, thank you guys for watching. Day number 3, guys. Awesome. The fat pack took, I didn't even know it was just a fat pack, but thank y'all for watching. Remember, if you're buying those fat packs, be careful. I hope the shipper, the seller ships it really well, man. You don't indent those corners, but thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. Let's go.